Welcome to Dev Beyond Reality. Today we are going to make marker based web AR. So first, open Visual Studio Code. Now create a file named index.html. Now we will write the code in index.html. Now we will add CDN to our code. I had already mentioned the CDN in the description of this video. Now we have to open MindAR website. There we have to go to image target compiler. In image target compiler, we have to drop the image target. I had already created an image target earlier, so I'll be using that. You can use any editing software to create one. I'd also attached a QR code that is pointing to my hosting. Now upload the image target to image target compiler and hit the start button. After that, download the compiled .mind file and drag it to our directory of the project. Now we need a 3D model to spawn on a card in AR. I had already made a 3D model on Blender. Now we have to export it to GLTF format. Here we have to select embedded GLTF and then we have to hit on export. Now we also have to drag it to our directory of the project. Earlier we have left some of the places for the path, so now we will add the path of both the files in our index.html file. In order to run our server, we have to install an VS Code extension named Live Server. I have already installed this extension. This one. Then click on Go Live and your server will start. As I have disabled the camera, so it's not showing. It's time to test our application on mobile. So I will open the mobile camera. That will scan the QR code on my card and it will point me to my hosting where I have hosted all these files.